Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokamari 417. So there's a few changes on there. We've obviously got that a custom trigger on there. We've obviously put the rail on there, so you can see the that's from Angry Gun. Do some lovely bits of kit, and obviously that's all done. So in terms of parts, we've got the full kit inside here. So we've got the Solink 46k adjustable motor, we've got the FPS cylinder, Laylax trigger pin, EagleSix M140 spring, we have so I'm trying to do this with one hand. We're still in our makeshift outdoors. Okay, so we've got the Psionic R-Hop in this one, the type bore barrel 407mm. We've got the FPS steel bushings, which is 5.9mm. We've got the upgraded Prometheus hard gear set 20:1, FPS spring guide, FPS piston head. We've got the carbon fibre piston, the M4 one. We've got the FPS cylinder head, obviously the FPS cylinder that I've already said, FPS air nozzle, Prometheus tappet plate, hard metal, so the Prometheus selector plate, which is obviously modified for 417. We've got the Laylax spiral bevel and pinion set, the Jeftron Leviathan, obviously the Solink 46k adjustable. Obviously that has the anti-rotation bearing, so in this particular one we have no anti-reversal latch installed. The reason being is obviously we're trying to test out this new function fully, and this one being a DMR setup allows us to test a high FPS while utilizing obviously no spring guide. So obviously it's a really great test to see if obviously that holds up long term. We've got the Epsilon round red trigger from Laylax, the stock conversion kit for 416, D-stock, which obviously allows the DINs to be connected. Obviously this gun will take 2600 milliamp 7.4 batteries, and we've built it around 4.3, and we've got it lifting 4.3s, and we've tested it at a range with an FPS of 330 on the FPS when measured on the it's actually 338 on the heavier ammo, which is right on the limit for this customer's site, which is what he was hoping for, and we're just going to demonstrate it working. Show you both modes. Oh, I might need to lock that to single shot before that goes out. That all the internet people are going to be having a go at me. Oh, you can't do that. There you go. I'm just going to lock this to a single shot obviously before it goes out, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Obviously it's a lovely gun build, and yeah, hope you have lots of fun with it. Thank you.